Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. Today's travel journaling is mainly about a day that I visited a beautiful bookstore called Lello in Porto. They are a paperback, a pamphlet, and tickets from Lello. I cut out the logo from the shopping bag. I covered the whole vintage book page with a pamphlet cover and glued a photo that I took in the bookstore. It was the most gorgeous bookstore that I've ever visited. I pulled out a memo paper that I was gifted in a Happy Mail to make a tuck spot because I thought the color and design of the memo paper goes well with the photo next page. And I glued one of the tickets on it that has my favorite quote. "So many books, so little time," by Frank Zappa. I made a big tag for the tuck spot and glued a logo from the paperback on it. Before I finished the tag, I added washi tapes on the page. On the tag, I added a photo from a cafe in the morning that day and used more washi tapes around the photo. Moved on to the right page. I didn't do much on this page. I preserved the pamphlet cover, attached my photo, and drew lines on the edges with white gel pen so they look like frame. I cut out circles from the pamphlet and added one of them where the ticket washi tape is. Then I stamped the date on the memo paper and I moved on to the next page. I made a tuck spot on this page as well with a photo that I took in Bolsa Palace, which I journaled last week. I backed the dinner photo with a dark green pattern paper because I thought the color tone supports the business card well. I wrote the date with, again, white gel pen. I can't journal without white gel pen. Then I added beautiful indigo blue floral washi tape at the top. I added a couple of vintage label washi tapes by Tokyo Antique. I love them so much, they are so beautiful. The last, I made a journaling card for the song pocket on the right page. I added another ticket on it and attached a tab that I made with William Morris washi tape. Now I'm journaling. Today's journaling was simple, but I'm happy that all the ephemera that I intended to use in today's journaling found their places. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye bye!